Welcome to our roundup of the best car polishes, essential car care products designed to restore shine, remove minor imperfections, and protect your vehicle's paint. A good car polish helps eliminate swirl marks, light scratches, oxidation, and dullness, bringing back that smooth, glossy finish. Many modern formulas also include ceramic or hybrid protection, which adds water resistance, UV protection, and longer-lasting shine. Whether you're detailing your car at home or just want a quick shine boost, choosing the right polish can make a big difference in both appearance and long-term paint protection. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car polishes available right now. Starting with Adams Polish's two-step polishing, this system is designed for users who want a more complete paint correction process. It typically includes a compound and finishing polish, allowing you to remove deeper imperfections before refining the surface to a high-gloss finish. The first step works to eliminate swirl marks, oxidation, and minor scratches, while the second step enhances clarity and depth of shine. This two-step approach is especially useful for older or neglected paint that needs more than just a quick polish. Many users appreciate how it delivers professional-level results when paired with a polishing machine or even used by hand with proper technique. It also helps improve paint smoothness and enhances overall surface clarity significantly. Additionally, it prepares the paint surface better for wax or sealant application afterward. With strong correction ability and a smooth finishing result, Adams Polish's two-step system is a great choice for detail enthusiasts who want showroom quality shine and long-lasting visual improvement. Next up is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Ceramic Car Polish, a modern solution that blends polishing with ceramic protection. This product is designed to remove light imperfections while also leaving behind a protective ceramic layer that enhances gloss and durability. The formula typically includes advanced SiO2 technology, which helps create a slick, water-repellent surface that keeps your car cleaner for longer. Many users like how easy it is to apply compared to traditional polishing systems. Instead of multiple steps, this hybrid polish allows you to clean, enhance, and protect your paint in a more efficient process. It also adds noticeable shine while improving surface slickness and water-beating performance. In addition, it helps reduce dirt buildup and makes future washing quicker and easier overall. It works well for regular maintenance and is ideal for people who want a balance between performance and convenience without spending too much time detailing their vehicle. Moving on to the new finish, the once-a-year car polish, this product is known for its long-lasting protection and simple application. Unlike traditional wax-based polishes, New Finish uses a synthetic formula that helps maintain shine and protection for extended periods. It's often marketed as a low-maintenance solution that can last for months with minimal reapplication. The polish helps improve gloss while also forming a protective barrier against environmental elements like UV rays, dirt, and water. It also resists washing off easily during rain and regular car cleaning sessions. Many users appreciate its durability and ease of use, especially since it doesn't require frequent repolishing. It also performs well in different weather conditions, maintaining shine through heat and rain exposure. For those who want a reliable, long-lasting shine without constant upkeep, New Finish remains a popular and practical option. Stepping up in performance, the Meguiar's High Gloss Polish delivers excellent results when it comes to enhancing paint clarity and depth. This polish is specifically designed to add a rich, reflective finish to your paint's vehicle while removing light imperfections and swirl marks. Its formula typically contains polishing oils that help enrich color and create a deep, wet-look shine. It works especially well on darker paint colors where gloss and reflection are more noticeable. It also enhances paint depth while reducing fine swirl marks for smoother appearance. Additionally, it improves overall surface reflection, giving your car a more premium and freshly detailed look. Many users prefer this polish as a finishing step after compounding, as it refines the surface and brings out maximum shine. With consistent results and easy application, Meguiar's Ultimate Polish is a trusted choice among both beginners and experienced detailers. Taking the top spot is the Cerakote Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray, a product that focuses on combining ease of use with strong protection and high gloss results. Unlike traditional polishes, this spray-on formula delivers a ceramic coating effect that bonds to the paint surface, creating a hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and contaminants.
This type of ceramic-based protection helps maintain shine for longer periods, while also reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Spray sealants are especially popular because they're quick to apply, simply spray and wipe, while still delivering impressive results. It also enhances paint slickness and helps reduce water spots after washing or rain exposure. With its combination of advanced protection, ease of application, and long-lasting shine, the Cerakote Ceramic Spray Sealant stands out as the best overall choice for users who want modern performance without complicated detailing steps. All of these car polishes serve different needs depending on your detailing style and expectations. The Adams Polish's two-step system is ideal for full paint correction. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Ceramic Polish offers a balance of cleaning and protection. The new Finish Car Polish focuses on long-lasting durability with minimal effort. The Meguiar's Ultimate Polish delivers deep gloss and finishing perfection, and the Cerakote Spray stands out for its modern, easy-to-use ceramic protection. That wraps up our list of the best car polishes, from traditional polishing systems to advanced ceramic solutions designed for long-lasting shine and protection. If you're looking to restore your car's finish, protect the paint, or simply keep your vehicle looking its best, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which car polish you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and give your car the shine it deserves.